All right, heading up to a green venture here. It's this way. This is seedy Saturday, Hamilton Public Library. I'm here for the second year in a row. And we're gonna get up here and do some seed exchange, maybe give a little donation because I didn't bring any seeds. And yeah, we wanna get some seeds out here, some wildflowers and whatever else they got, and go see what we can learn. Let's get up there. So we're here at seedy Saturday. It's a little bit loud in here. We're gonna go walk around, see what's going on, and we'll show you our little seed haul once we get in there. So stay with us. All right, so I'm back from seedy Saturday, and this is what I got. A whole bunch of stuff. You got some loofahs here, which you don't see too often. I gave my donation. I wasn't in seeds, it was in monetary a donation, because got to support the groups. I had some good conversations with some people down there, and they were just fantastic. It seems like it was a little smaller this year than it was last year, but I will definitely be going again next year. We'll get some snow peas here, get some other stuff here. We'll get some basil. I told you I'm going to be doing a lot of herbs this year, and what we're going to do is after I put these away, we'll get some chives and stuff like that, white corn. I got some maize. I got a bunch of different things. A lot of wildflowers, which I was looking for. My mom was looking for some verbena. So there's two kinds of that. There's the tall and the short. I don't know the Latin names. But yeah, that's what I ended up with. A couple of thousand seeds here. And we'll be putting them in the greenhouse, or in the food forest, excuse me. And now today I just wanted to get into the fridge and show you some of the stratification I've been working on. We got some apple seeds that we want to get planted. So let's get on with that. Okay, we got some other stuff here that we've been working on. These are my Red Delicious seeds. And about maybe 3/4 of them have already sprouted. So I put the rest of them back in there. So there's one right there. You can see that little white thing there. That's a root, a small root there, I believe. And anyways, yeah. And I had some of my galas, which are kind of mixed with my honey crisps. I wasn't quite sure, so we'll have some surprise ones. But so we took them out, and here's what we got. So over here is my grow room, you could call it. It's just an alcove. I have 2 of them for each window. And this faces south. So we got our, the big ones here are those mulberries that I did a way back. I'll see about maybe leaving that at the end there so you can check out that video. They were pretty easy to root. A lot easier than you think. These are weeping mulberries. This here is a pine. I forget which kind of pine it is. Well, my girlfriend got me one last year for Christmas, and another one this year for Christmas. It's alive, and you can see it's got some babies on it. And here's the apples right here. Now I did these a couple days ago, and they're already kind of sprouting out. Look, I got one here, one over there. We got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 already showing, 10, 11 maybe. And there's a couple more over here, but that's what I had going in my window. I'm kind of running out of window space here, windowsill space anyway, so I'll just show you the other side too, because we got a few more over there. So this is my other grow room, my other alcove, as you could say. I got my fig here. This is a Rouge de Bordeaux. Sorry, excuse me. That's a cold hardy fig, supposed to be. And so we got 2 lemons here. Now these lemons were done in my kitchen back when I lived in Hamilton. And they're both the same age. Now this is what's really interesting right here. You see this little sprout right here? Okay, so what I did was I scored it right there. So I bent the plant over. I bent it over because I wanted to have more leaves. So when I scored it, it allowed it to make another sprout there. So I might even come back here and score a couple of these here. I've been pruning this for the last couple of years, so it's kind of nice. It's doing all right. See, we got a couple right here. See what I mean? We got one right here, and then one right behind it. And then down here, these are my, what are they again? The dragon fruit that I did. I also did a video on them too. Check out all my videos. I've done a bunch of things that kind of succeeded a little bit. Now I neglect them. I give them a little bit of water once in a while, and that's it. And then we come over here, and this is more of my apples over here. It doesn't look like I got anything sprouting at the moment. This here is a goldfish. It's called a goldfish plant. And my lithops. They're just fun plants. That's all. I have a couple of them for there. These are supposed to be hops, but I don't know if they're going to make it. They had some good fungus gnats, and the dirt's not so great. It's pretty hard. soil there. But yeah, here's some more of the soil. It's looking good. This is a little dry. Oh, I'm gonna give them a little spray. But yeah, well, we got some more apples. We got about, what is that, about 35, almost 40 apples going right now. Most of them are Red Delicious and a few more in the fridge. And Honeycrisp and Galas. So that's pretty much it for this week. So we'll see you next week. You guys stay safe. And we'll try and get another video going for next week.